Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Sanur area on 23 December 2021. So if you want to know how the situation at the moment in Sanur area before the Christmas, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today on 23 December 2021, I will show you how to like the situation at the moment in Sanur area. And on this video, I will make video around 11 minutes without skip because I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Sanur area. And our journey today start from Danau Tamblingan Street. If I straight out at the front, that is the way to go to the beach. Okay guys, now we are in Danau Tamblingan Street. Sanur location around 30-minute driving from the airport. Sanur beach also very famous with the sunrise beach. So that's why in the morning there is a lot of people waiting for sunrise in Sanur beach. Okay, you see left side, there is some car parking at the front of the hotels. That's really good. It's like quite busy now in Sanur area. If I turn left at the front, yeah, that is the way to go to Sindu beach. But I keep driving because we will see how the situation at the moment in Sanur area on Danau Tamblingan Street and CEMARA Street. You see left side? Yeah, there is also some car parking at the front of the hotels. That's really good. At the front right side, there is the way to go to traditional market in Sanur. But now I turn left to explore Danau Tamblingan Street. In this area, you can see left side, there is some shop are open. Yeah, there is some shop open, but some shop also closed. And actually I make this video around 8 AM. I think there is a lot of shops still closed because it's too early in the morning. Because usually the shop are open start from 9 and 10 AM. So that's why on this video there is a lot of the shops still closed. I'm really happy because I just see some people walk around on the sidewalk. And also there is a lot of car and motorbike drive around in this area. That's really good, isn't it? Okay guys, in the left side there is a lot of big hotel and there is some hotel connecting by the beach. So that's why in this area also very famous because there is a lot of hotel connecting by the beach. And in the morning you can see sunrise there. Yeah, some people walk around on the sidewalk. That's really good. Okay guys, if you see the weather today is not so clear, also not so cloudy, but it's quite hot today. And actually I make this video around 8 AM, so that's why there is not so many shops open yet. You see at the front left side, there is one restaurant, and beside the restaurant, there is Starbucks. Yeah, Starbucks still look quiet. I think this is open yet because it's too early in the morning. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people missing this area. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali. You see at the front? Yeah, it's look busy, isn't it? There is a lot of car parking left side at the front of the hotels. That's really good. And also on the right side, there is a lot of car parking too. Left side? Yeah, there is some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. As I told you, Now there is more people walk around on the sidewalk. That's really good sign for Bali actually. Yeah, I'm gonna say sorry, my camera is not really good because I just use mobile phone. You see at the front left side? Yeah, there is another tourist walk around on the sidewalk. Yeah, that's really good. It's like something new for me. There is another people walk around on the sidewalk left side. Yeah, that's really good, isn't it? And also there is a lot of car parking beside the street in this area. Right side? Yeah, look busy, isn't it? We hope to get there early next year. Bali will start busy again like normally. Because actually I got a lot of customers, they are already booking ticket flight to Bali next year on April, June, July. Yeah, we hope together next year we'll not quarantine anymore. We will be free from this pandemic. Left side, Maya Resort. Big resort in Sanur area. And also this resort connecting by the beach. You see, that is a tourist driving on motorbike. That's really good. Also there one, there's a tourist. He's driving by motorbike in Bali. Yeah, I love this area because it looks so green. And in the left side there is a hotel connecting by the beach also. Big hotel. Right side, a taxi parking there. And usually in this area there is a lot of taxi parking because they just like take a rest under the shadow from the tree. And taxi driver waiting for calling from the hotel because in this area there is a lot of big hotel as I told you. Yeah, it is a lot of car parking in this area, isn't it? And actually the car also waiting for the tourists. Maybe they need transport. Because in Bali we have two types for transportation. One with online, one just freelance. You see, right side, there is a lot of taxi parking in this area. As I told you, that's really good, isn't it? Yeah, it is quite busy in this area on Danau Tamblingan Street. And also in Danau Tamblingan Street we have one nice ice cream we call Musimo. And usually always busy. Yeah, there are another tourist walk around on the sidewalk left side. That's really good. Yeah, Musimo right side. There is a lot more motorbike parking there at the front of Musimo. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Danau Tamblingan Street. And now we will explore how the situation at the moment in CEMARA Street. Now we are in CEMARA Street. In this area also very famous because in this area there is a lot of big hotels connecting by Sanur Beach. And also there is some nice restaurant and some souvenir shop. But you see at the front, right side and left side, yeah, there is a lot of shops still closed in this area. This is very bad, isn't it? Along the way left side, there is a lot of big hotel, and that's a hotel connecting by the beach. And in the right side, there is a lot of shop, laundry and spa. Yeah, but so far in this area look very quiet, isn't it? There is not so many people walk around the sidewalk. You see the hotel outside? Yeah, actually this hotel we call Camuela, but now they changed name with Segara. And some car parking there. That's really good. They are open now. after long time they close because this pandemic. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Sanur area. If you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.